Have you ever felt nervous, embarrassed when someone says speak in English? If you felt like this, so this video is going very helpful for you guys. So watch this video until the end. Why you are not taking a step of learning English, speak in English? It has five, six, seven, most many reason. Like for example, what what people thinking about me. If I don't start, so what will be happen with me? Why we are not taking a first step? What people think? Okay, people laugh, people mocking on me, people mocked on me. Why? So it would be reason. So first we will move the first step. So if you are watching this video, so you are very passionate about speaking English, learning English. So glad to see you here. Thank you if you are watching this video. So first step is why we fail to take a first step. So the reason is we are thinking too much. We are thinking about too much. So first, just like example, if you are okay, if you like after 12th, if you are in college, or I don't know, you are in college. So you if you take a book in your hand and you think it is a very big syllabus. How 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 can I cover this in 2 months, 3 months? So you thinking like this. So first you need to consistent. If you speak English, if you want to speak in English, so you need to consistent every single day. I am recording this video every single day. I don't know, yesterday video is very like a very bad, but still I was record because I want to continue my this series. I want to be consistent. That's why. So you need to consistent. You need to speak English every day. So we move the on the topic on the topic of this video. So you are thinking too much when you take a copy in your hand. So start reading. If you take a book, don't think about the future. So just like in English, don't think about the what will how much time it take, like how much time to how will time take to speak in English. So don't think, just start speaking. The second reason is you are very loser. Why? Because you are thinking what people thinking about me. Don't, bro, don't think about it. Still, I am recording video and I am not thinking about the people, what people think about me. You are thinking very bad, and whatever you are thinking about me, I don't care. I don't care, bro. I don't care. Mind is, I will tell you, mind your business. And I am, I am working on my English. Nothing. I don't. Doesn't matter what are you doing and what are you thinking about me. So you need like this confident. You need like me. Just think. Just speak. Don't think about people. Don't think when you don't think about people. You will success in your life. It is not about for English. Don't think of, if you don't thinking about people, what people think about me, so you will be success in your life definitely. Definitely, I will. I give you guarantee. Definitely. So you need to avoid people what they are thinking. So the third step is, okay. You have a good confidence, and you are avoiding people. Okay, and you are not thinking what they are thinking about me. Okay, but the second reason is you are avoiding people. But when you start speaking, you feel nervous. Why? You feel nervous because you have little bit thinking. You have already avoiding the surrounding, okay, atmospheric thinking, but you have a little bit problem, little bit thinking in your mind. I have avoid, okay, you have avoid, okay, you have avoid, and you, when you start speaking, you think, you have like a little bit problem in your mind. You are thinking what they are thinking if I will speak English. So please remove this thinking and start speaking and start growing. So, and the fourth reason is, they are if you will speak English, so they will mock on you, they will mocked on you. Don't think, yeah, don't think. Doesn't matter what they are, why they are mocking in on you. Doesn't matter, doesn't matter, it's not matter. If you want to speak in English and if you want to become a fluent speaker, so you need to avoid this silly type, like this bekar type of people. Avoid this type of people. And okay, now, so अब मैं अपने आप पे आता हूँ. When I was start speak in English, I feel afraid, just like you are, if you are learner and if you are a beginner, so you are thinking, okay, you are thinking too much. So don't think, don't think, bro. It will be not good for you. It will be reverse for you. It will be reverse for you. It will be reverse for your success. You are very, you are watching this video, you are very passionate about speaking English. So I was scared, okay, I was felt nervous. Okay, like you, if जैसा आप face कर रहे हैं now you are facing, I feel like this. So now, and I am recording my video and I have a confidence. I don't think about you, okay, I don't think you about whatever you are thinking about me. I don't care, I doesn't it doesn't matter, I don't care. So you need to mindset like me, so you will be speak English very easily. But yeah, we are human, and most of time this like this type of silly things happening, it's happening with us. So it's not matter. So keep trying, keep growing, and speak in English. So Radhe Radhe, we will meet in next video. Bye bye.